Let's get up close and personal on the new ground effects kit on the F-150 Lobo. Love that front bumper and that front valance. It looks awesome. And then if we come along the side, you'll see the side sills in here too. Just give it a great look. If we come back out a little bit, zoom out with the camera, you can really see how that just gives it such a sport look to it. And I like that they carried all along the box with it. And then of course, the bumper does have that nice dual exhaust bumper off the back too, which gives it a great look and just finishes the look to the truck. So home run Ford, great job on the aesthetics on this one. All right, if you want to see more content on the new F-150 Lobo, if you go ahead and click the link right here, that will give you a playlist with all kinds of videos that I've made for content on the new Lobo. Or if you want to see a longer video, if you go ahead and click right here, that's a video I made that's a little bit longer that gives even more information. Thanks for watching.